Welcome to a new video. Today I will talk about the rugged tablet Oukitel Rt7 Titan 4G. It is designed to endure drought, shocks, and extreme temperatures. Backed by certification including IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810AS. The Oukitel Rt7 4G is powered by a 32,000 mAh massive battery that can support use the Rt7 Titan 4G brings forth an astonishing 180 days of standby time. Energize your Rt7 4G with an ultra sweep 33 watt fast charging support. The Rt7 Titan features an allow handle, head strap, and shoulder built for effortless fieldwork tablet carrying. The shoulder strap enables convenient reading and portability. The tablet's design prevents sleeping, ensuring confident navigation. It has 8 GB RAM plus up to 16 GB RAM expansion and the either 256 GB of expandable ROM and support for up to 1 TB, ensuring you never run out of storage. Paired with the latest Android 13 OS, the MediaTek Mt8788 delivers a seamless multitasking experience. Rt7 Titan ensures an interrupted encounter tailored to all your tasks and entertainment desires. 79.4-degree wide angle autofocus enabled 48 megapixel main camera, a 20 megapixel night vision camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Triple camera action, all individually powered by our advanced AI, made for capturing all your picture perfect moments, and also 32 megapixel front camera for better selfies. Crafted to handle challenging tasks even in the harshest conditions, the Rt7 Titan shines in terms of durability and performance. It excels in various scenarios, thriving in everything from demanding industrial environments to a range of outdoor activities. Let's talk about our display. Oukitel Rt7 4G gets a 10.1 Full HD Plus IPS display. Whether you are exploring a forest or trekking a top of mountain, the Rt7 Titan ensures ideal screen visibility with its optimal brightness of 400 nits. You can buy this larger battery rugged tablet Oukitel Rt7 Titan 4G. Check the buy link in description below. Thanks for watching.